Is it still alive?
This one, no.
Okay.
It's like all bone. Yeah. Well, not bone, calcium.
What is that? So it was a real one.
Yeah. This is not a model. It was a real one. Okay, so this is like the skeleton. From the bottom, where the mouth is, that's the oral side, right? And then on the top is the aboral side. On the oral side, you can see the ambulacral groove. Inside the groove are the 2 feet. And then next to these, right here, that's just like, it's a groove. Yeah. No. Oh, don't be sorry. It's I just don't know how to describe it. And then next to the groove, on the 2 like lines on the side of it, are the spines. Like you can see the large white, not large, very small white like pockets. And I think just don't confuse those with the 2 feet, because the 2 feet are in the groove.
Okay.
And the spines are outside the groove. Yeah.
So 2 feet would be in here?
Inside the groove, yes. Yeah. All the orange little thingies. There are also white ones, but the orange ones are staying better.
What's the purpose of the spines?
These spines are just like protection.
But isn't this the side that's kind of attached on something?
Right. But they also have one. That's true.
Don't they have them on the... Do they not have them on this part too? Are these not also
I believe
spines?
they do. No, they have some, but they're not as densely populated as this one. Because it could be when they like grab things. Or like, attraction. Next is inside. Look inside, you see the mouth again right there. And this is the opposite end of the ambulacral groove. So it's the ambulacral ridge. And then...
Was this cut off though?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
it's
it
cut
would
off.
generally like have the same... All of this
Yeah.
would be...
This is the mouth?
Yeah.
But you
this is
wouldn't
the
be
mouth
able
end.
to see it if
This,
you had
this is a
cut it.
dissection.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a cross section.
Yeah.
I want a starfish for decoration.
Yeah.
Alright. And you'll have...
The digestion.
Oh.
So this was live one, and then it's dripping ice. It's not like goo or anything. So that little clearish, more clear, abnormally colored little spot is the madreporite, where the water flows in. If you look inside, this is the aboral side, right? So that means that all of this stuff is the pyloric / hepatic / digestive ceca.
Yeah.
And then connected to it is the pyloric stomach. So you just gotta remember that pyloric stomach is attached to the pyloric ceca.
Yeah.
And then below, like if you orient it like this, below the pyloric stomach is the cardiac stomach. And then you see this like white calciferous ring canal. All of these white bubbles / stuff is the gonads, kind of like the crayfish, the ovaries of the crayfish.
Oh, so this one's
Yeah.
a male?
This one's a male, exactly. If it was female, it'd be like that color over there. You can see the ambulacral ridge, and then all of that white bubbly stuff, it's the ampulla that are attached to 2 feet on the bottom. That stuff, right there.
Is this the ridge?
Yeah, that's the ridge.
Okay, and then what was the other thing you were pointing to?
The white bubbly stuff are the ampulla, and they attach to the 2 feet on the bottom. Yeah, right there. So this is the oral side. You can see the 2 feet, the spines. The mouth is covered by a bunch of 2 feet. That yeah. And then one other thing is, okay, so for respiratory, they have the dermal branchiae. If you look up there, the clearer triangular stuff is the dermal branchiae. That's where the air, or the oxygen diffuses, not the air. And the spines are the white. They're really large in comparison. And then the really small, like pincer ones, they're small even compared to the dermal branchiae. Those are the pedicellari. Those just like pinch off dirt and parasites off of the skin. The dermal branchiae is the main respiratory system, and for excretory, nitrogenous waste just diffuses out of the skin into the body. Nervous system, no, just nervous system. Oh, I guess it could. It just diffuses out everywhere. Oh, really? Yeah, I don't know. And then nervous system, they have no cephalization, but they have like a nerve net. If you cut off an arm, it'll regrow. Here's a transverse section. It's not really well done because you can't really see anything. But on top, that could be the pyloric ceco. Could be. I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
What else could it be?
Could be the gonads.
The white stuff would be.
Yeah, it's like a layer of pyloric ceca and gonads. Yeah. Then, from the madrepore, you can find the stone canal, right? You just upend it, and it's on either one of these. You know the ring canal is here, and since you don't see the stone canal, it should be here. So it should be that one right there. That's the stone canal. You see it right there. Stone canal. That one. These from the madrepore, stone canal, ring canal, lateral canal, radial canal, and then lateral canal.
Are there like lateral canals just like on the?
I don't know if you can see it here. It should be like near the ridge.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one's radial.
Radial canal, yeah. Lateral canal.
And that would that leads
Mm-hmm.
to the ampulla because that like helps with the 2 feet motion,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Wait,
Doesn't
The
the
lateral
canals all like lead to the motion of the 2 feet?
Because it goes from ring canal, radial canal, and then lateral canal, and then ampulla, and then attach the ampulla too. It's like all one big system.
so is that where like
Like,
control of like movement happens?
or remember that the madrepore and the canals are for water vascular movement. So it lets in water, and then it could be that through the 2 feet it releases the water. Yeah, so it's like an opening.
If you're interested
Okay.
in the tarantula demo, we're going to be doing it at the front bench, so you can